Hi, I am Mithun from Tenet Technetronics. In previous video we have seen how to interface an LED with MSP launchpad. Today let's see how to interface and switch with the MSP launchpad and controlling the various peripherals using the same switch. Here I am interfacing switch breakout with MSP launchpad 430. The switch breakout consists of 4 slide switch, 4 push button. The output of these switches are extended through the bar connectors. By making use of this breakout, I am going to control few peripherals like ordinary LED, buzzer, 5V DC motor and an RG. Let's see how demo works. I am going to control this peripheral using these switches. Here how it works. Here I am going to control the RGB LED with the switches.
Thank you for watching the video. For more information, visit www.tenetech.com.